Hey guys, so for this video, I'm gonna make for unboxing LED light night Nezuko that I have found in the Shopee, and this parcel have arrived yesterday. But first, I will gonna tell you I'm really Kimetsu no Yaiba fan, and the first time I watched the anime, the first character that I fall in love is Nezuko. I really love her, and this parcel is character Nezuko. Before I decide to buy this item, I asked to my friend first, should I buy this item for make a video unboxing for my YouTube? And she said yes, you can do that. But first, you need to speak English because anime's fan is universe. So I will try to speak English for this video. And I know some my English is broken, but never mind, as you can understand this is okay. So let's start it. So this is okay, and this is the remote, a charger. No, this is wire, and this is the instruction, and this. Yeah, there is Nezuko. Okay, so this is the item that have from the box. It's this, the wires, the remotes, and Nezuko. Okay, first we need to see this. Okay. Whoa! Put here. Wow, that is wonderful. The instructions say click the touch switch to change the color flash. Okay, this is a touch. Slow. It close, and then it's light, a different color. Alright, let me test it. The remote on. Blue, red, yellow, pink. This is not pink, this is purple. Orange, W or white. This is a flash. Amazing. So we off that, and then the wires is for the charge because there is a charge for that. And so that is a cool. It was amazing. We look at another change color in the LED light Nezuko. Wow, it's very suitable for the night. We put the light in the night in the dark room. Okay, full stop. So thank you guys for watching this video, and hope you guys stay safe. Bye.